the last criterion of similarity of triangles, that is SES criterion. The statement says if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of second triangle, other triangle, and the sides including these angles are proportional. That means before take two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. These are the two triangles. Here in these two triangles, what is given? Angle A is equal to angle D, and the sides including these angles means AB, AC, DE, DF. These are proportional. That means AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. This is given in the two triangles. Understand? Right. Now coming to prove, then what we have to prove, students? If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of other triangle and include sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. We have to prove here the two triangles are similar. That means triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. We have to prove like that. So same construction what we did for the first and the second theorems, that means SSS and AA criterions, same. Here also we mark 2 points, P and Q mark 2 points. What are they? P and Q, such that, how do you mark these points? That AB is equal to DP and DP, and this AC is equal to DQ. AC is equal to DQ, right? AB is equal to DP, AC is equal to DQ. Next we join this PQ here. Just join and join this PQ. Finished. Coming to the proof here, my dear students, look, what is given, my dear students? AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. Okay, good. But instead of this AB and AC, what can you write here? What can we write? Instead of this AB, we can write DP. DP by DE is equal to, instead of this AC, we can write DQ. DQ by DF. DP by DE is equal to DQ by, same process, just reciprocals. DE by DP is equal to DF by DQ. Then what we do to prove PQ is parallel to F? Yes, subtract 1 from both sides. DE by DP minus 1 is equal to DF by DQ minus 1. Okay, so this is DE minus DP by DP is equal to DF minus DQ by DQ. So understand, DE minus DP by DP is equal to DF minus DQ by DQ. So my dear students, what is DE minus DP? That is PE. So PE by DP is equal to, what is DF minus DQ? That is QF. QF by DQ. Again make it reverse. That means DP by PA is equal to, DP by PE is equal to DQ by QF. Okay, so again same, DP by PE is equal to DQ by QF means, can you recall that theorem? Yeah, basic, converse of basic proportionality theorem. According to converse of basic proportionality theorem, according to this theorem, my dear students, how do you write that? This PQ is parallel to PF. PQ is parallel to EF. PQ parallel to EF. Why? What is that converse of basic proportionality theorem says? If a line divides the other two sides in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. That means PQ is parallel to EF. Whenever this PQ is line is parallel to another side and intersected by a transversal like this, DE and DF, then these angles are called corresponding angles. That means angle P is equal to angle E and angle Q is equal to angle F. These are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. Okay. See, my dear students, the next part is here triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. Observe the two triangles here. Triangle ABC, in triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. We are going to make congruent of these two triangles. Congruence. How? Already we know that according to the construction, this AB is equal to DP, AB is equal to DP, AC is equal to DQ, AB is equal to DP, AC is equal to DQ. This is what? Construction. Since construction, understand? Construction. And angle A, angle D are equal. In both the triangles, angle A is equal to angle D. Since it is given. Therefore, we can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. Why? SAS congruency rule. The two triangles are congruent. Understand? ABC and DPQ are congruent. Since they are congruent according to CPCT, then what do you write? Angle A is equal to angle D. Angle P is equal to angle B is equal to angle P. Similarly, angle C is equal to angle Q. This is CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Okay, look here, students. Angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle P, angle C is equal to angle Q. Now, this is equation 1, the entire this is equation 2. From 1 and 2, what do you write? Angle A is equal to what? Angle D. Of course, angle A, angle D is okay. Angle B is equal to angle P, but this angle P is equal to angle A. That means I will write the conclusion here from the two equations. Angle A is equal to angle D. This is okay. But angle B is equal to angle P, but this angle P is equal to angle A. Next, this angle C is equal to angle Q here, but this angle Q is equal to angle F. That means angle C is equal to angle F. So in the two triangles ABC and DEF, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. Therefore, according to angle similarity, according to the angle similarity, AA similarity criterion, 2 A's enough. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF since angle similarity. Understand, students? Shall I repeat? If one angle of a first triangle is equal to one angle of second triangle, then the sides including these angles are proportional. That means what is given? Angle A and angle D are equal, and what are the sides including these angles? AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. So what is to be proved here? These two triangles are similar. Okay. So construction is same. I am not repeating that, right? Proof. Coming to the proof, same. Here we prove that PQ is parallel to EF. We use the same process only. PQ is parallel to EF. This all process you know. So whenever this PQ is parallel to EF, then corresponding angles are equal. That means angle P, angle E equal, angle Q and angle F are equal. They are corresponding angles. Okay, this is one part. Coming to the second part, I make the triangle ABC and triangle DPQ are congruent to each other. They are congruent according to SAS congruency rule. If two triangles are congruent according to CPCT, the corresponding angles are equal. Angle A, angle D, angle B, angle P, angle C and angle Q are equal. So this is equation 2, this is equation 1. So this from 1 and 2, angle A, angle D is okay. But angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. So here in this triangle, ABC are respectively equal to DEF of second triangle in triangle DF. Therefore, according to A similarity, the two triangles are similar. Hence it is proved. Hence it is proved. I hope you understand these three criterions of similarity of triangles.